Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Cali Cat is down there. I really hope she comes up today, y'all, because I have the Cat Lady Box. Ooh, we love the Cat Lady Box because you know we crazy cat ladies here. The Cat Lady Box is a monthly subscription that is tailored towards us people who love cats. They have one that is purely for us cat ladies. And then they have one that's the Crazy Cat Lady Box that has toys for the cats in it as well. Of course, that's what I get. If you want to get the base box that just has the stuff for us cat ladies, it's $34.99 a month. You get 3 to 4 items for cat ladies. If you want to get the Crazy Cat Lady Box, you pay $39.99 a month and you get those 4 to 5 items, plus you get 2 toys for your kitties. So really cute. I don't have a code or anything for this box, but I will put a link below that just takes you to their website. So let's see what's inside my Crazy Cat Lady Box. Come here. Come on. Let's go see what's in the box. Come here. She's looking at me like, what do you want? Cats do not do on demand. They just do whatever they want to do. If I pick her up and put her in my lap, she'll immediately jump back down. It's just how she is. I have to let her come to me. See? Look, Callie. Your box is here. Y'all, I had it sitting in this chair last night. She was sitting on the table sniffing of it like, ooh, it's for me. Y'all, I'll put a picture of that on my community tab just in case you want to see. You want to see what's in the box? You gonna say hi? Alright, so let's open the box. Here's what it looks like inside. One thing I do like about this company is they feature artists. And all of their artwork is done by that particular artist. Look, there she goes rubbing on the box. This particular artist is Elvira Rescov. She is an artist that lives in California, but originally comes from Colombia. She enjoys painting in watercolors and oil. Elvira likes to paint and sketch animals, landscapes, flowers, and city scenes. One of her passions is to paint in plein air or painting on a location. And then it tells you where you can find her work. And this box is one of those boxes that we love because it gives back. This month they donated to Cherish Cats Rescue Alliance, Centerville Pet Rescue, SPCA of Wake County, Pet Angel Adoption and Rescue. So I like that they do that. What are you doing, Callie? And like I said, there is that gorgeous card. And then on the back, it tells you what everything is. Oh, I really love this picture. This is just adorable. All right, so let's bust in to the Cat Lady Box. Ooh, look at the goodies, y'all. First thing I see is a hair clip. Look how cute, the cat claw. Oh, the adorableness. Just want to take it out and put it in my hair right now. Let's see what it says. Cat claw hair clip. Sweep away, fly away, floof with this adorable cat claw clip. The value is $6.99. Y'all, we got socks. Oh, how cute. Soft kitty socks. Oh, how adorable. Let's see. Look at y'all. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. All right, it says, Serenity Meow Socks. Pamper your people paws with these cute kitty socks valued at $7.99. So we got a Catnip Toy. This is the Perfect Dreams Catnip Toy. Your cat can pause and play with this cute handmade sleep mask toy valued at $6.99. Hey, don't you want to come over here and play with your new toy? Look, you got a toy? You got a toy? She's like, Mama, I got a toy right over there. But that is just too adorable. And there was the tag for it. It just came off. Sleep mask for kitties. Alright. So, oh, look, it's a hoodie, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look, it's got their logo. It is soft. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look, y'all, look. Oh, this is too cute. I'm gonna have to model it here in a second, but this is adorable. They do ask you what size you want. I did get extra large. I may put that down to a large because everything has been a little on the bigger size, but this is just adorable. It is soft. What does it feel like on the inside? Same as the outside. Just too cute. And who doesn't need a hoodie like this every once in a while? Cat Paws Hoodie. Cozy up in this soft hoodie, serene teal with the perfect paw. Valued $32.99. There's a cat teaser in here. Oh my goodness. My cats love the wands. They just love them. Look at the cuteness. So this tie-dye teaser wand, wind up your cat with this fun wand toy before they wind down for a cat nap. Valued at $6.99. She's chasing it. She's off camera, y'all. Yeah, come over here, lazy. Come on, get it. I'll try to film her playing with it later since she's just laying on the bed reaching for it like, oh, you're not close enough. Very cute. So the last thing in this box is a cat soap dish. Spa Lux cat soap dish. Give your bath or shower a meowsing luxury feel. $12.99 value. Let's look at this. It's actually nice. Suction cup maybe? Keep it on there. Comes apart to clean. Very cool. This is pretty neat. All right, so what did y'all think of this month's Cat Lady box? I love this box because I never know what to expect. I mean, you can get so many interesting things. I've gotten a soap dispenser in the shape of a cat before. I've gotten potter, you know, plant pots. I can't even think right now, but so many cute little cat toys. The cats do love them. I'm excited to play with Callie with the wand because she will. I just take these and I just hold them and walk through my house and they follow and chase because, yeah, why not? I gotta work these girls out somehow. She got it now. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to comment below and tell me what you thought of everything in this Crazy Cat Lady box. I would love it if you press all those little buttons down there. The like button, the subscribe, the share, and the notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless. Oh, y'all look. I'm glad I have the bigger size in this because this way it just hangs perfect. Look at this. This is adorable. I love my Cat Lady box jacket. Oh my goodness, y'all. huge. Adorable.